start a new series where I get 2 mobs to battle each other. Let's see how much damage. Yeah, and today's battle will be the Wither. Ooh, the Wither. First is it an Iron Golem. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wither versus an Iron Golem, that's got no chance. But, as well, we're going to have Snow Golems. Yeah, maybe I should sleep, so they're like the rain can stop. We're going to be having Snow Golems helping the Iron Golem. So first let's spawn in mini Snow Army. And then the first round, we're going to have first 1 and 2 Iron Golems versus the Wither. So this is going to be a tough battle. I should do it. So get set. Put them anywhere. So get out with her. Oh, that Snow Golem's already go for him. He has blown up already. Oh, the Wither's going straight in there. The Iron Golem should be going in him. No. Yeah? Hi. The Wither's pretty much wiping out the Golems. Oh, he's coming in. Now here is the attack. The Withers are pounding shots at that Iron Golem. Oh, the Snow Golem got wiped out. It's not putting up for a fight though, the Iron Golem is down. Yep, full hell means the winner of this fight is the Wither. Bye.